Coming up on the motorcycle show, we join Billy in his quest to find the 60s dirt bike to restore. I go shopping for some budget riding gear at our local cycle gear store, and we go to a biker charity poker run. Billy, what are we going to go do?
We're gonna go look at an old motorcycle, and I don't know where, but we're going anyway. We're following an address.
Awesome. And this is a barn find, basically.
Very much. It's supposedly been there for a long, long time.
You say you got your gun with you?
You think this is it?
I don't know. What's the address?
I do.
Well, there's nobody here. You sure about this?
Mm-hmm. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Bacon.
Well, it's definitely a barn find, that's for sure. We were hoping to find the bike intact, but unfortunately, it's missing way too many parts to be salvageable. Emblems on it.
I'm really hoping
Generally, motors don't stray too far because they are heavy.
Yeah, they're real heavy.
They won't be up on a bench or anything like that. It'll be on the floor. No, could not find anything outside. Nothing even promising. Needless to say, we had to leave that one in place and hope for a better day.
When you're trying to find one that you want to rebuild, you need at least, the motor, but you want all the parts to be there, and it's missing a ton.
Well, that's part of the chase. You're going to run into places like that, Billy, and deals like that. There's no such thing as a free lunch. Applies to motorcycle stuff as well. And I buy a basic riding gear, helmet, gloves, jacket for under $300. In today's world, that might be a challenge, but I'm going to give it a shot here at Cycle Gear.
This is our built Apex helmet. It's $109.99 plus tax. It is DOT and ECE certified. Does not come with a drop-down sun visor. It's just a very basic helmet, but it's got good certification at Cycle Gear. They do independent certification. They send our helmets out once every 6 months to have them independently tested, and we do tests that are better than DOT, so we know that we sell good helmets even though
what about
they're not super
riding
expensive.
gloves that don't cost $200?
So something like these are our built Spirit 3 gloves. They have the carbon fiber knuckles. They're a mesh fiber material, so they're super breathable for summer. They do have the reinforced palms. They're touchscreen compatible, and they're $35 plus tax. They're probably one of our most popular. You can see we're out of a lot right now, but they're super popular for summer.
That's a great buy.
Breathability and protection.
I need
jacket.
a person that doesn't. I just spent $100 on a helmet and $35 on gloves. I don't have a lot of cash left.
Okay.
Help me out.
Okay. Well, I'm going to show you kind of my favorite budget jacket. This one. Yeah. So this is our Techno 2 jacket. It is $150. It comes in 3 different colors. Has reflective piping on it. It has a removable quilted winter liner. In Alabama, winter is not very often, but it does keep you warm on those cool mornings or chilly evenings. It even has a little pouch back here where you can store your liner if you don't have saddlebags or a backpack. These unzip and there's a little pouch back here for your liner. It's got level 1 armor in your shoulders and forearms. Most jackets don't come with back armor, but you can buy it for about $35.
So if I'm a new rider and I'm trying to do it on a budget, 100 bucks for my jacket, okay, 35 bucks for my gloves, and 100 for my helmet. That's $230.
Well, $150 for the jacket if you go.
$250.
Yeah, and it's really not bad. Plus, we have our Riders Preferred membership that saves you an extra 10% on all of our exclusive brands. So that would help a new rider out as well, and it gets you cash back too throughout the year.
That sounds like a good idea. Thank you so much.
You're
Appreciate you
welcome.
showing us your store.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, what was your name?
Kristen.
Kristen.
I'm
at
the manager
Cycle
here.
Gear.
Yep, I've been here a little over 8 years now. I love this community here in Mobile.
Right. Maybe I better go back and buy some rain gear. Rock and roll.
All right. My name's Pickle. I'm with Southern Saints Floribama chapter. We're organizing this event here as a fundraiser for Grizzly, our club president. His wife had a pretty extensive back surgery, and she's going to be out of work for a couple of months. Looking to help them offset the cost of her not being in work and them having some pretty big struggles financially. And we're just trying to give back to some people in our club and our community.
Man, that's some nice Harleys. It's no secret that motorcycling has become more expensive over the years. This channel is all about keeping the fun in riding without breaking the budget. Until next time, ride safe, and we'll see you down the road.